So some of you guys might be wondering, what is that little circle for? Well, the quick answer is it's the top of a bow drill. It's a little divot that you need to be able to spin a spindle with a bow drill to start a fire. Again, this is a survival slingshot, so I wanted to add that little feature. I put my touch mark down there. Turned out really nicely. I was surprised how well it went in. And yeah, this is all finished now. I'm just gonna use some surgical tubing on the back, just to make it an actual slingshot, you know. Hopefully, me and Todd will be able to go out this year and do some camping and test these things out in a survival situation. Like maybe pick off a few squirrels or rabbits, get some dinner. This was a very fun project. I recommend it to anyone who's getting into blacksmithing. It teaches you splitting, it teaches you upsetting, drawing out, because I didn't have this handle big enough, so I had to draw it out. It goes over all the skills that you really need, except for forge welding. But yeah, it goes over all the basic skills of blacksmithing. So anyone who wants to get into blacksmithing, we have some great videos I'll link to up there on how to get started. This is a fun project if you have the materials to do so.
Okay, this is the completed slingshot. I just took some surgical tubing and I got a little piece of leather on there. I actually took it from another slingshot. And yeah, this is how it turned out. So let's go test it out.
And as always, guys, thanks for watching.